Igama lami Lindelweyizizwe Manqele. I'm from Gwanongoma, KZN. My research focuses on the technology of Internet of Things.
My name is Lindelwe. I'm from a village called Ramadana in Limpopo province, and I'm a medical scientist.
So I hold a junior degree of computer science, BSc computer science, BSc honors computer science. Then I joined CSR, where I was able to obtain my master's in electrical engineering now at UCT, and currently I'm enrolled for a PhD at UCT, where I also do research at Faculty of Built and Engineering, where I conduct research in electrical engineering, still in the field of Internet of Things.
I have a BSc in Biological Science and Bachelor of Health Science in Molecular Medicine and Hematology.
Inkinga engixazululayo kulolu cwaningo engilenzayo ukuthi uma imishini le esinayo ikhuluma neminye kule internet ekhona, uthola ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi i-information abayisendayo ayihambi yonke. So ngenxa yokuthi ayihambi yonke, abakwazi ukuthi bathathe inqumo ngale ukuthi sizokwenza njani ngale information esiyitholayo kulama devices lawa akhona. So into eyenzakalayo manje ukuthi kumele siqhamuke ne-algorithm ezokwazi ukuthi thathe zona lezi nqumo lezi ibeyazi ukuthi khona enye information engafikanga. So sizokwenza kanjani lokho? Iyona ke lento engibhekene nayo okuyiyona engizamqhamuka nesixazululo sakhona.
So HIV attack amashoda amini, what we call the immune cells, CD4 cells. So we don't know whether the virus itself that's attacking and killing these cells, or toxic substances such as proteins that the virus are releasing in our bloodstream, and then they circulate to hunt for the healthy immune cells to kill. So the solution to this problem is testing whether this protein GP120 is indeed responsible for killing the healthy immune cells. Once we know that, then we can target GP120 with drugs and protect people from depletion of immune cells.
What I enjoy about this job or this research that I'm doing is that, first of all, it is challenging. I like something that is challenging because I believe that it stretches your mind and it gives you that opportunity to grow. Another thing is that it exposes me to the depth of mathematical solutions that I was not aware of. And another thing is that it exposes me to various fields.
So what I enjoy about being a medical scientist is that I get to learn new things every day, and I get to work with tiny microscopic things, and I get to save people's lives while in it, even if people don't see it, but in the long run I do contribute to saving people's lives. And the reason why I chose the science stream, being a medical scientist, is because I've always been a curious child. Like in high school, I'd go for science expos. I was always involved in anything that's science related. Some people used to call me science crazy.
The challenges I experienced in my childhood, first of all, was financial challenges. You know how it is like, because as they were telling me that I have to go to university, my father had so much faith in me, and then he told me that I would go to university. You know, when I had to look around at home and I was asking myself, what kind of miracle is he expecting for me to go to university? And came January 2004, he decided to sell his cars. He sold two. One was for registration and the other one was for the dress code.
There are always challenges everywhere. So growing up, I lived in an alienated environment. My parents were forever not there. They worked in Gauteng and I was in Limpopo staying with nannies. I had no siblings, like I had to be independent at a very young age. I had to get married. So that was a bit of a problem because as one, you need that support from your parents, you need that support from your siblings, to perform well in school. So that was quite a problem.
Time management is very important in focus. I'll just make this example. In a day, we've got 24 hours. That's 3 sets of 8 hours. It means that 8 hours we sleep, 8 hours we work, 8 hours what do we do?
So the advice I would like to give to young people who would like to follow the same career path is that a best career choice is not necessarily related to a subject you excel in. It has to do with passion. So you have to be passionate and crazy about what you do. If it's science that you're passionate about, it should show in your studies. It should show in chemistry, in biology, and maths. So you're supposed to do something that makes you feel happy. Do something that makes you feel you're making a difference in people's lives. And do not set a limit for yourselves. If someone wants to do science, you have to be enthusiastic, you have to be able to think out of the box, you have to be able to be innovative, you have to be able to be a go-getter. So it all starts with the passion. The more you're passionate, the more effort you put in, and the more you excel in something that you do.